All right, so you can see almost no oil here, and I got it set to about not definitely not maximum, around 6, and I just put 5 or 6 drops of oil, and once the water dried up, I put some water droplets. Now I'm gonna put the lid on, and literally 90 seconds from now, let's see what happens. All right, so let's look. You can see they're browning already, and look how much smaller they are. They're half the size they were. And there's water on the lid, right? You can almost take the lid off now. And I'm using a fork. I know it's no, but I'm using a fork just to lightly take them, and I'm not scraping the pan itself. You can see the caramelizing already happening. It's important to cook them thoroughly. You should never eat raw mushrooms. At the end, I'm going to get some butter and put it on. I'm just going to put the pan on the lid on one more time. I really want the heat to get through these. All right, put the lid on. So just a fraction of butter. I'm going to almost no butter at all, but I'm just going to put a little more. Look at how beautiful they are. Be careful not to overdo it now. Just a touch more butter. Okay, they're done. I'm just going to take them off and put the seasoning on.